High wind warning for the following area. In California, Riverside County mountains, excessive heat warning remains in effect until 8 p.m. PDT this evening. High wind warning in effect from 6 a.m. Friday to midnight PDT Friday night. For the excessive heat warning, dangerously hot conditions with temperatures up to 91. For the high wind warning, east winds 35 to 45 miles per hour with gusts up to 70 miles per hour expected in the Riverside County mountains. For the excessive heat warning until 8 p.m. PDT this evening. For the high wind warning from 6 a.m. Friday to midnight PDT Friday night. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are possible. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Extreme heat will significantly increase the potential for heat-related illnesses, particularly for those working or participating in outdoor activities. Strongest winds will be in the early afternoon Friday. Use caution if you must drive. Drink plenty of fluids, stay in an air-conditioned room, stay out of the Sunday, and check up on relatives and neighbors. Young children and pets should never be left unattended in vehicles under any circumstances. This is especially true during warm or hot weather. Car interiors can reach lethal temperatures in a matter of minutes. The extreme southwest